Hi, this is Gary Kay from rAVe, and we are kind of on the edge of the LUXUL Roadshow truck. And this truck's going to be coming to a city near you. You can go to LUXUL to get a copy of the schedule. And one of the things you're going to be focusing on this year is finally, after all these years, bringing LUXUL to the commercial AV industry. Congratulations.
Yes, we are really excited. LUXUL is definitely the commercial AV switch to look to for 2022. So LUXUL has always had some really fantastic managed AV switches and with rear ports. So just exactly what the ProAV integrator wants is that clean installation. So we're coming out with new large switches. We also have new small form factor switches, really nice to mount behind displays, so even PoE powered switches. So a lot of options from LUXUL. Also with the easy setup app, we have mesh solutions. So LUXUL is really going to be pushing into ProAV and commercial side in 2022, so watch out.
And so with AV over IP, this is capable of handling all the AV over IP switching?
Yeah, so the Vadio Easy IP system, the backbone is that LUXUL switch, and we also have a lot of resources to make sure the LUXUL solution can fit for like your Crestron and all of your other AV over IP needs too. So,
What's the maximum bandwidth of these switches? They're different bandwidth based on different applications?
yeah, different bandwidths. They're 1 gig switches,
Okay.
so yeah.
All right, good. So it can handle AV over IP in 1 gig applications. You can check it all out at the LUXUL website or go to LegrandAV.com. And again, this roadshow truck has come to a city near you in 2022, so make sure you check out the schedule so that you check it out when it comes to you, because there aren't going to be a whole lot of shows in 2022 still, so unfortunately.
We've got the new products from all of the LegrandAV brands, so it's just a nice highlight to visit.
And we shot videos on all of them, so check it out. They're all here on the website. Thanks for joining us.